Hi, I'm Rubel. Right now, Japan is experiencing record-breaking natural disasters. From August 10th to 11th, a linear precipitation band formed over Kyushu, bringing life-threatening rainfall. Fukuoka saw 368.5 millimeters, about 14.5 inches, in just 24 hours, and parts of Kumamoto were under the highest-level heavy rain emergency warning. Japan's typhoon season lasts until mid-October, so the risk of powerful storms remains high. In this video, I'll share which areas are most prone to typhoons, the latest disaster updates, and practical tips for travelers to stay safe. In Japan, natural disasters like typhoons, heavy rain, and even earthquakes happen every single year. People here take many steps to protect their lives, but in recent years, disasters have been bigger and more intense than anyone expected. And in 2025, we need to be especially cautious. Just recently, in Kyushu, down in southwestern Japan, a Senjo Kosuitai formed and brought life-threatening downpours. Fukuoka was hit with record rainfall, and Kumamoto faced emergency warnings. And as if that wasn't enough, Typhoon number 11, yes, in Japan we number our typhoons, approached Okinawa with powerful winds. Thankfully, it moved on toward mainland China and is now weakened into an extratropical cyclone, essentially a regular storm. The thing is, disasters like these are really hard to predict, and there's always a chance you could encounter one while traveling here. If that happens, the most important things are to get accurate information quickly, stay calm, and make smart decisions. Let's go over the specific steps you can take to keep yourself safe if you face a natural disaster while traveling in Japan. How to read typhoon. Path forecasts in Japan. Most typhoons that hit Japan travel from Okinawa in the south all the way up toward Hokkaido in the north. A unique feature of typhoon forecasts here is their wide prediction range. See the big circle on the map? That shows where the typhoon might go. And here's the tricky part. Sometimes you think, oh, it's not coming anywhere near me, and then, boom, it shows up. Other times you prepare for it to hit, and it completely misses. When a big typhoon is approaching, Japan's weather services put out updates on its position and predicted path every single hour. So if you're visiting Japan between July and October, make sure to check the news online or the Japan Meteorological Agency's website regularly. Staying updated could make all the difference for your safety. Stay away from rivers and the sea. When a typhoon is approaching, stay far, far away from rivers and the ocean. It might look dramatic or beautiful, but it's extremely dangerous. Stay away. Every year there are people who try to film typhoons and end up in accidents. And in the worst cases, they lose their lives. Even if the ocean looks calm, a massive wave can suddenly crash in without warning. Rivers are just as dangerous. Stronger typhoons in recent years have even caused levees to break, sending huge amounts of water and debris rushing downstream. Even a river that seems calm can rise dangerously fast during a typhoon, so keep your distance and stay in a safe place until it has completely passed. Emergency response and evacuation methods for travelers. All right, let's talk about what to do if a typhoon or heavy rain hits while you're in Japan. Evacuation shelters. In Japan, when a typhoon or heavy rain warning is issued, local governments open hinanjo, or evacuation shelters. These are usually set up in places like school gymnasiums or public community centers. If you're traveling, ask the staff at your hotel or guest house where the nearest evacuation shelter is, just in case. If you're in a hotel, most hotels in Japan are well prepared for typhoons. Stay inside the hotel, keep away from windows, Have a flashlight and fully charged power bank ready in case of blackout. If an evacuation order is given, follow the instructions from the front desk staff immediately. If you're outdoors, watch out for flying objects like signs, glass shards, or fallen trees. Head to an underground shopping area or a strong concrete building for shelter. Avoid standing under covered arcades or old buildings. Stay away from utility poles and traffic lights. Don't go near low-lying areas that could flood. If it's heavy rain, avoid underpasses. They can flood quickly. Be careful around puddles. Sometimes manhole covers get dislodged. Stay away from drainage channels and gutters. In mountain areas, watch out for landslides if you're using public transportation. When a typhoon is coming, Japan's railways may enforce Keikaku Unkyu, planned suspension of train service for safety, a unique system here that helps prevent accidents before they happen. You might end up waiting for hours at a station or airport. Follow the instructions of station staff and don't try to move around during the worst of the storm. Wait somewhere safe until services resume. Emergency essentials: drinking water, ready-to-eat emergency food, power bank and charger, cash, any medication you need, flashlight, mask towel, raincoat. So, what did you think? Natural disasters can't be avoided, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can stay safe. So remember, 3 simple rules. Always check the latest updates. Stay away from dangerous areas. Stay calm, don't push yourself, and act wisely. Stay safe, enjoy your time in Japan, and check out Earth's Japan channel for more tips to make your trip fun and stress-free. If you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye for now.